Hello people, this is HBM. Welcome back again. Today I'm going to show you one product that will help you gain weight in the right places. So if you know that you've been imagining your backside looking as big as this, you've been imagining your front side as big as this, you want to gain weight in the right places, and you've tried different kind of thing, you've taken herbs, you've taken drugs, you've done different kind of thing, you've done PRP fillers, hyaluronic acid fillers, and you are still not getting that bigger backside. You're still not gaining weight in the right places or in the backside. And you need to watch the video to the end, like and share this video. So let me show you this product. So can you see this product? This is actually called Super Appetite Syrup. This helps for weight gain. If you want to gain weight, you're going to see results from 1 week. You want the fastest way, like you want the fastest mean to gain weight. You cannot wait to gain weight. Then you need to go for this syrup. Trust me, the syrup will make you hit, because you cannot get fat if you did not eat. It's from the food you eat that your fat will develop. And like I said, if you want those fat in the right place, go for this syrup. This syrup works wonder. Only the syrup work wonder. So this syrup is part of the ingredients I used to make my body enhancement syrup for my brand, like weight gain syrup, okay? But only this one works. If you know, you know. I know most people know about this syrup, but I've not been seeing review on it. This syrup, you want to gain weight, you want to have bigger backside, just take this syrup. So how do you take this syrup? Let me tell you how to take this syrup so that you're going to achieve a wonderful result. Yeah, so in the morning, just get your syrup, shake your syrup, and get a spoon. Take 1 full spoon of this syrup, add it inside your tea. You can even add it inside your yogurt. Yes, stir and drink on an empty stomach. Take it like that. Then you cannot eat after like 20 minutes. You can eat. So in the night, do the same thing. But because our body system are different, this can actually make some people eat a lot. So if you know that it makes you eat a lot, that means your body needs more food to fill up. Then you have to give your body the food it requires. Because I know some people will come and say, oh, I drank this and I was eating a lot. Of course, I will not be the one to fill up the fat for you. It's your food that will fill up the fat in your body. So you need to eat, because our body absorb all that is needed from the food we eat to actually build up. So the same thing applies to you having fat in the right places, or the same thing applies to you having a bigger side or having a big front side. The same thing applies to you trying to gain weight, or gain weight in the right places. So your food have an important role to play. So once your body is requesting for the food, you have to give your body that food. Take for an instance, as at a time when I was taking body enhancement products, I noticed I eat a lot. And because I was eating a lot, because I was eating when my body needs it, it really helped me to add weight in the right places. It helped me to gather fat in the right places, and I was waist training on it. And I noticed that after some time, I added weight in the right places. So I'm only explaining this for those of you that will come and complain to me that what do you do about you eating a lot when you're taking this? Nothing, just eat, okay? Just eat so that you gain weight in the right places. And another thing I noticed about the syrup is that for some body system, for some people, it can make you feel sleepy, a kind of, yeah, that is one thing about the syrup. It works. So if you know that you are a full housewife, you can take this morning, night. You don't have problem. Just be sleeping. Eat and sleep. Under 1 week, you will start seeing your bigger side getting bigger. But if you are the kind of person that goes to work, you drive, what I will say is that take this first, take it in the morning and see how it goes. So if it make you feel that sleepy, then you can only take it at night. Like you can only take it in the evening. You can take it around 6 p.m. in the evening. Okay, so when you're taking it that way, it will not affect you much. Just go to your nearest pharmacy, you go and purchase yours, and you start using it. I've told you how you should use it and what to expect, how to use it, and please always come back and come and drop your review. So yeah, I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.